7 natural remedies for type 2 diabetes. If you are watching video of this channel first time, then please click subscription button and notification bell to get future video. Normal blood sugar levels sit between 70 and 99 mg per dl, whereas a person with diabetes will have a fasting blood sugar higher than 126 mg per dl. The risk factor for pre-diabetes and type 2 diabetes are similar. They include 1. Overweight, 2. Age 45 or older, 3. Have a parent or sibling with the condition, when I do not recommend starting any new treatments without consulting your healthcare provider. Below find a list of top natural remedies for type 2 diabetes. 1. Aloe vera. Although aloe vera gel is better known as a home remedy for minor burns and other skin conditions, aloe vera gel helps people with diabetes. Aloe vera reduces blood glucose and hemoglobin A1 levels by enhancing glucose storage and utilization. For aloe vera juice, the maximum daily dose is a recommended 50 ml, while the recommended dose for capsule is 200 to 300 mg per day. 2. Fenugreek. Fenugreek seeds are high in soluble fiber, which helps lower blood sugar by slowing down digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. This suggests they may be effective in treating people with diabetes. The seeds may also help improve how the body uses sugar and increases the amount of insulin released. Taking 2.5 grams of fenugreek twice a day for 3 months lowered blood sugar levels in people with mild but not severe type 2 diabetes. 3. Bitter melon. Bitter melon has several chemicals that seem to act like insulin and help to lower blood sugar levels. There are bitter melon seeds, flowers, leaves, and juice. You could even find bitter melon tea bags. Bitter melon juice has been administered for type 2 diabetes at daily doses of 50 to 100 ml. 5 grams of dried fruit given 3 times per day has also been used. 4. Ginger. Ginger is another herb that people have used for thousands of years in traditional medicine system. People often use ginger to help treat digestive and inflammatory issues. Ginger lowered blood sugar levels but did not lower blood insulin levels. Ginger may reduce insulin resistance in the body for type 2 diabetes. Ginger can be an effective addition to your diabetes treatment if you use it in moderation. Eating up to 4 grams per day may help lower your blood sugar levels and regulate insulin production. 5. Papaya leaf. Papaya leaf juice can work wonders for diabetes as well, as it regulates the production of insulin, which in turn checks blood sugar levels. Its strong antioxidant nature also helps to bring down the consequent complications of diabetes like kidney damage and fatty liver. Papaya leaf juice is likely to have a very bitter taste. After drinking it, you can give the patient a pinch of sugar to improve taste. For adults, 30 ml of papaya juice before breakfast, 30 ml before lunch, and 30 ml before dinner. 6. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is not only good for skin but also for diabetes. Consuming approximately 600 mg of vitamin C daily can improve the blood sugar level significantly. People who have chronic diabetes should consume foods rich in vitamin C every day. Some foods rich in vitamin C are amla, orange, tomato, and blueberry. 7. Nopal. The purported benefits of fresh nopal juice include lowering blood sugar, healing wounds, and reducing cholesterol. Like most fruits and vegetables, nopal and prickly pear contain some fiber which is beneficial for managing diabetes. These foods can be a part of a high fiber diet that can lower blood sugar, reduce insulin levels, and improve level of lipids or fat compounds in the blood. For diabetes, 100 to 500 grams of boiled stems of prickly pear cactus daily. Doses are often divided into 3 equal amounts and given throughout the day. If you have not clicked the subscription button and notification bell, then please click to get next video on the constipation treatment.